Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need to confirm your iPad 11th generation is updated and multitasking is enabled. Once done, you can start Stage Manager. First, open Settings and turn on multitasking under Home screen and dock so apps can overlap. Next, open one app in full screen, then swipe up to reveal dock and drag a second app onto the screen. This creates a window group. Make sure to use a keyboard or pencil for precise resizing. It makes arranging windows faster and more accurate. Once you have two apps in a group, learn to control layout. Drag window edges to resize or pinch on the title bar to tile quickly. Use the dock to add third-party apps by dragging them into the space. This keeps context while you work. To organize workflows, open the Spaces bar at the left and create new desktop groups for different tasks. Switching is instant. Make sure to name or mentally label groups so you know which set contains documents versus communication apps. To finish, lock in your layout by leaving groups open. Stage Manager remembers app pairs so you can resume quickly. If you need to stop, either close all spaces or disable multitasking in settings. For a common fix, when windows overlap oddly or apps won't resize, restart your iPad, then toggle multitasking off and on. That clears the window manager state. If a specific app still misbehaves, force quit that app and reopen it, since individual apps can fail to report proper window constraints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.